So we'll look at pointers today. As you know, every variable is a memory location and every memory location has its address defined. We can access this address by using the AND operator. I'll show you how we access this. Let's take an example. First, we'll declare some variables and we'll play with it. Let's say int var1 and char var2 of size say 10. Let's see out the address of var1 variable is cout and operator and the name of the variable, which is variable1. Let's copy this and let's just change var1 to var2 and var1 to var2. Let's run this and let's see what the result is. Okay, C shouldn't be capital here, C shouldn't be capital here. So as we can see that the address of var1 variable is this and the address of var2 variable is this. So what is a pointer? A pointer is a variable whose value is the address of another variable. And like any variable or constant, we must declare a pointer before we can work with it. So how do we declare a pointer? We simply say the type and use the steric and the variable name. Let's say I want to declare an int type pointer named IP or a double type named DP or a float type named FP and so on. So there are a very few important operations which we will do with the pointers very frequently. Number one, we define a pointer variable just as we did over here. Number two, we assign the address of a variable to a pointer. And number three, we finally access the value at the address available in the pointer variable. Let's look at an example and we'll work it through. Let's just delete all of this and let's say variable1 is equal to 20 and let's say my int pointer to be this. So what I'm going to do is I'll say IP is equal to and var1. So what does this do? This stores the address of var1 in a pointer variable named IP. So if I'll say cout value of var1 cout var1, this will just print out the value of variable 1. And if I'll say cout the address in IP variable cout IP. So let's run this. So as we can see, the value of var1 is 20 and the address in IP variable is this. This address is the address of my var1 variable. And how do we confirm this? We simply say cout the value in IP variable is And how do we access the value? We use the asterisk and the variable name. Let's run this, and as we can see, the value in IP variable is 20, which was the value of variable 1. This is because of this. I stored the address of my variable 1 in my variable IP, which was a pointer declared right above here. So this was the very basics of pointers. We'll look into it more in the next lectures. Thank you.